to my channel and welcome back to another cleaning video. I am spring cleaning my office slash guest room today. I am not going to do a voiceover for this video because the kids are all at home and there's a lot of noise happening, so I'm going to pop on some really fun music so you can either pop me on your television or your iPad or your phone and you can clean along with me. I'm only using a few products in this video because we are limited on cleaning products now. I don't want to go and use a whole lot, so I'm just gone old school. I'm using a duster, a little bit of Pledge, window cleaner and floor cleaner, and I hope it gives you all the cleaning motivation that you need today. And let's get cleaning.
Play me, play who? Lucky I'm stronger than ever. Got the arrangement to leave. You can go on and collect some and reason me. Abandoning is a hard word to use, but it's true. So challenging life with you, but I'm all through. For us two, I'm really done for the day. Fighting a battle of blaming, blame me, blame who? Lucky I don't have to reason, sort out or uncomplicate. The road is leading me and I'm on my way. Abandoning is a hard word to use, but it's true. So challenging with you, but I'm all through. Gone away and gone for good. I did everything I could, but you can't remember me. Gone away and gone for good. I did everything I should, but you can't remember me. Every little thing that was said, it doesn't matter now when I leave, and our song is playing, play on. I did everything I could, but you can't remember me. Gone away and gone for good. I did everything I should, but you can't remember me. Every little thing that was said, it doesn't matter now when I leave, and our song is playing, play on. Every little thing that was said, it doesn't matter now when I leave, and our song is playing, play on. I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know, and I know we're onto something good. You know, and I know we got something shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Something good. Something good. I grew up and I'm bitter. 0 out of 3 no more. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out that way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. I never said I was ready, but ready for what comes ahead. You said that you were with me. I wonder how we did forget. Some days were forever, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Dirt on my jeans and same good old snapback, floating through the street like holding your hand tight. Dirt on my jeans and same good old snapback, floating through the street like. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good in the worn out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Tomboy t-shirts.
Triple A, credits alright. Hang up the phone and let your heart break. Only in LA, 24 twice. She's on the phone, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return this love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. He wants you to return his love. Now he's beating diamonds on you, but that ain't enough to turn the page. He's kneeling, wants to feel known, but he's not the one who pulls away. That ain't enough to turn the page. Leash is off, suit is on point. Won't cause a scene or stir up no clash. On second thought, Venice by 4th. She's on the job, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return his love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. He wants you to return his love.
For watching, guys. I hope it gave you all the cleaning motivation that you need today. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to join my YouTube family and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to come and say hi in the comments. That really helps my channel out. And click that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos of mine. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye!